Hello and welcome. You're watching Explosive Exclusive. I'm Padmaja Joshi, and the explosive story today is it all but official that Sunita Kejriwal is the de facto chief of the Aam Aadmi Party now. From addressing a joint rally of INDIA bloc at Delhi's Ramlila Maidan to now getting ready to attend another such gathering at Ranchi, this time against the arrest of Hemant Soren, to hosting meetings with candidates of the Aam Aadmi Party for the Lok Sabha elections. Has the baton well and truly been passed on? In fact, Times Now has learned that on Wednesday, Sunita Kejriwal held a meeting with Lok Sabha candidates of the Aam Aadmi Party in order to strategize their Lok Sabha fight. In the meeting, candidates from Jalandhar and Ludhiana were present, along with MLAs of the assembly segments that fall within these seats. In this meeting, Sunita Kejriwal, according to sources, told the candidates to put up a strong fight, and the MLAs were told that you must be united even if you're a little disgruntled, because some of the candidates who have been fielded have come from other parties, they are turncoats, but this is the time to put up a united face and oust the BJP. So who all were in this meeting with Mrs. Kejriwal? There was Ludhiana candidate Pappi Parashar and Jalandhar candidate Pawan Kumar Tinu. According to sources, they held separate meetings with Sunita Kejriwal along with MLAs from their respective constituencies. The question then is, from being somebody who was always behind the scenes, is now Sunita Kejriwal the brains of the Aam Aadmi Party, and is that now an undeniable fact? What does that do to the other leaders within the party? People like Sanjay Singh, people like Raghav Chadda, people like Atishi and Saurabh Bharadwaj. Let's take this across to Ravi Srivastava, political analyst, author Karan Verma. First question is to RP Singh, national spokesperson of the BJP. Up to Sunita ji is also having meetings with the members of parliament or other candidates of the Lok Sabha. Is she, RP Singh, now your prime contender?
Well, do you remember that some years back when the party started from the Andolan, there were two basic planks. One was anti-corruption and other was Parivarwad, dynastic politics. I remember Sanjay Singh's video, which is highly in circulation, not because of Sunita Bhavi, but otherwise also, which he said he took name of right from Farooq Abdullah to Mulayam Singh Yadav, Akhilesh Yadav to Lalu Yadav to Tejasvi Yadav. He took name of each and every one, Stalin, Karunanidhi, and then he said the country has to get rid of them. Now is everything other way around. I mean, the party is the most corrupt party today in the country. The leaders are in jail because of corruption charges, and also that they are promoting the dynasty. The dynasty means the Parivarwad in the system.
Okay, you are calling it Parivarwad. Ravi Srivastava. Why not declare her openly though?
This party's internal matter. But I think she is working well. She knows the game now. And she is working. She is efficiently working. She is taking the reins.
No, but just out of curiosity, how is she advising Lok Sabha candidates? How many elections has she fought?
The Lok Sabha election she may have not contested yet, but as far as the politics is concerned, that's very much in the family. That Arvind Kejriwal has been fighting for the last 10 years.
Ye kya baat hui? There are people in my family who may have been politicians, so I start advising you on how to do politics.
That is their prerogative. That is their prerogative. You involve them, you don't involve them. But here it's a family where he involves her. She is a loving wife of her husband. And she knows that what all is happening.
But how does she become advisor to Lok Sabha candidates and MLAs? I'm sorry, but sir, this is not anyone's prerogative. MLAs are chosen representatives of the people. They have been put in office by the people. So it's not like, you can go and start advising them how to run their politics. People have voted for them.
Extraordinary things happen when extraordinary situations arise. This is that democracy and the constitution has been failed in this country. I think she will have to take the charge. She will have to discharge the responsibility, and she is not advising. I think she is simply giving the guidance.
Okay.
And if someone has come from the other party to introduce him or her about the art philosophy, I think that's a job which she has been doing.
Okay, respond. RP Singh, now you have got Ashok Pappi Parashar, Pawan Kumar Tinu. अगर पप्पी और टीनू राजी, तो आरपी सिंह क्यों बने हैं काजी?
But it's not now it's happening. Remember that sheesh mahal which you exposed? It has noting of that Sunita Kejriwal has advised to pick up that particular tile or that particular curtain. I mean, she has been interfering almost quite long now. But now it is an open now. And now she is running the party now. And Mr. Kejriwal has no faith on either on Sanjay Singh, Saurabh Bhardwaj, Atishi, or Durgesh Pathak, or others in the queue. He doesn't have faith in any of his leaders now. People who have worked with him for 10 years, 15 years, and slogged with him and have been there in the scam and part of the scam also still standing by him. They're not running away from the party also. There are certain who are not joining the political activity here. They are away in US and UK.
Okay.
But people who are there who are standing by Mr. Kejriwal in thick and thin, he has dumped those also, dumped all of them also.
Mr. Singh, why are you so concerned about the loyalists of Arvind Kejriwal? Ravi Srivastava says unko koi problem nahi hai and she's just boosting morale. Karan Verma. She is not doing anything extra constitutional. She's just giving a pep talk.
Padmaja.
Sir, I'll just come back to you. Let me quickly get in Karan Verma. Just a pep talk. What's wrong with that?
So, Padmaja, this is a huge dent to the morale actually of all the AAP Karyakartas and MLAs and MPs who have been thoroughly undermined today, that they are going to be guided by a novice who's not even set foot in politics, and she is guiding them and giving them inspiration. Ask their sore hearts how they feel when they are taking guidance from someone who doesn't know zilch about politics. Secondly, if there is one constitution which has been thoroughly undermined, it is AAP's constitution. On 26th November 2012, Padmaja, when their constitution came in force, it said clearly that no two family members would indulge in active politics or contest in polls. Very craftily, look how they've gone about it. On 29th January 2021, in their National Council meeting, they passed an amendment to get away with this route.
Okay.
So that they set the ground ready that in case tomorrow Sunita ji wants to set foot, she can do that.
Okay.
In 2016, she retired from her job. She took her voluntary retirement service. And now suddenly, Saurabh Bhardwaj says she is the link between us and Kejriwal. First of all, he is violating his oath of secrecy if he is giving out information to Sunita Kejriwal. Who is Sunita Kejriwal to get all this information from the CM? So, they violate constitutions, their own commitments at various levels. And now they should rename their party. From Aam Aadmi Party, they should say, we are Kejriwal and Sons Private Limited. Ye hamara family enterprise hai bhai.
Okay, we're getting a reaction from the BJP chief, the BJP president in Delhi. Let's quickly listen in.
आप जिसे पॉलिटिकल एक्टिवेशन बता रही हैं, मेरे हिसाब से आम आदमी पार्टी की कलह है। कौन पूरी आम आदमी पार्टी का केंद्र बनेगा, उसका द्वंद्व चल रहा है। और वो लड़ाई अब खुलकर दिखाई देने लगी है कि जहां श्रीमती केजरीवाल एक तरफ हैं, तो बाकी लोग अपना अपना रास्ता बना रहे हैं। आगे आगे देखिए, मुझे लगता है और चीज़ें नहीं सामने आएंगी।
ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि जो इंडिया ब्लॉक की रैली होने वाली है, उसमें भी सुनीता केजरीवाल पार्टिसिपेट करने वाली हैं।
वो पहले भी एक बार कर चुकी हैं और उस भ्रष्टाचारी गठबंधन में सब भ्रष्टाचारी एक साथ इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं, और जहां लड़ाई सर्वाइवल की हो तो वो भी नहीं रुकेंगी। तो मैंने कहा ना कि एक आम आदमी पार्टी का द्वंद्व है जो अब धीरे धीरे खुल के नजर आएगा।
Ladai for survival, Ravi Srivastava and Karan Verma says this is also a violation of the ideals that Arvind Kejriwal himself propounded and of secrecy.
Arvind Kejriwal has propounded all the ideals when this country had a democracy and this country was running as per the constitution. Unfortunately, both have been culled today. So there is no use of remembering those things. You said 26th November. I had taken that constitution on 24th November when the party was formed in the Constitution Club with 320 people. So don't teach me on that what was transpired over there and
Karan
what all
Verma.
we promise for that.
To
Now
be
my
taught
issue
that
here
because
is,
you've forgotten those
what is your
principles
problem?
and you are defending this
Sir,
today.
what
In
is
your
your problem?
constitution, it
You
was
tell me.
clearly mentioned
Sunita
that
Kejriwal
no two
is
family
guiding
members
people.
of the same
Sunita
family
Kejriwal
will
is
be a
taking
part of
a
active
responsibility as a
politics.
chief
You
minister
violated that. And don't give me this democracy thing, Ravi Srivastava. It's the High Court which has said that the Delhi CM, who has no right to be CM if you ask me on moral grounds, is actively involved in the proceeds of crime and concealing it, both in personal capacity as well as the convener.
No, if we again come back to this meeting, I'm genuinely, it's all very well to, have a pep talk with the candidates and say, best of luck. You can also tweet it to them, but fine, you meet them and you say.
How can they be?
Why are the MLAs there?
They've slogged for years together.
Why are the MLAs meeting with a non-elected member? Just a second, she's not even a member of the Aam Aadmi Party. Ravi Srivastava, is Mrs. Kejriwal a member of the Aam Aadmi Party?
If whether Mrs. Kejriwal is a member or not a member, this is immaterial.
No,
I
it
am
is
asking,
material.
it is not.
On what basis are MLAs being, sir, on what basis are MLAs being summoned by a private citizen? She is a private citizen.
Nobody is summoned, they were invited. Nobody was summoned, they were invited. So please don't use the language that is used by the ED and all.
Okay.
They were invited.
RP Singh, they were invited. They were invited. Chai pe charcha.
Election process.
I mean, I would invite them as well. Would they come? I would also like to meet the Lok Sabha candidates and MLAs of Punjab and various other states. Would they come and meet me in my house? And I'll have a tete-a-tete with them?
Padmaja, why are you saying you? I mean, even Mr. Ravi Srivastava invites, they won't come. But fact is, we all know that party is gradually being handed over to Kavita Bhabhi, and she is going to lead the party now. And then probably, if there is a opportunity, she will become the try to become an MLA, which people will not accept her now.
Okay.
But if by any chance or any compulsion, administrative compulsion, if Mr. Kejriwal has to resign, or by the court order he has to resign.
Okay,
then
Mr. Ravi Srivastava is getting very agitated. I think he wants to say something.
as
Mr. Ravi Srivastava is animated and agitated at the same
What
time.
is your problem, sir? The Delhi public loves him. Delhi public loves him for the schools, for the mohalla clinic, for the roads, for the water, for electricity, for the, 1 crore rupees for
Sir,
the martyrs. What is your problem?
Mr. Ravi
Delhi people love
Srivastava,
him.
Mr. Ravi
They are-
Srivastava,
they are
पूरी
आप-
दिल्ली
आप
पानी
workers
से
are
तरस है
canvassing for
आज,
the party.
पूरी
What's
दिल्ली
wrong in
पानी
it?
से तरस है आज, पानी के टैंकर के माध्यम से पानी जाता है, पानी के
Sir,
टैंकर के माफिया
जो-
से पैसा उड़ाया जाता है। तो
एक
बोलिए
तो
मत,
आप
मोहल्ला
मुफ्त में-
क्लिनिक में बच्चों की
एक तो
हत्याएं
आप
होती
मुफ्त
है,
में बिजली ले रहे
मोहल्ला
हैं
क्लिनिक में
और
बच्चों
आप
की
मुफ्त का
हत्याएं
पानी
होती
पी रहे हैं,
और आपका
ऊपर से
जो
गाली दे रहे हैं।
मॉडल एजुकेशन
ये तो
मॉडल
बड़ा
है,
शर्म की
वो
बात
अभी
है।
हाई कोर्ट में एक्सपोज हुआ।
You are enjoying
मनमोहन
everything
सिंह जो
and then you are cursing him.
चीफ जस्टिस
Why?
है, उन्होंने एक्सपोज कर दिया आपका एजुकेशन मॉडल।
Karan Verma.
स्कूलों में बेंच नहीं है।
Can I make a point,
और
please?
एक
Yes,
क्लास
Karan
में
Verma wants to make a
120
point.
बच्चे हैं।
Yeah. You know, as per the jail manual, rule number 1349, Mr. Kejriwal cannot even sign documents except for a few, whether it is his Wakalatnama and others. Imagine this man is trying to run Delhi. How desperate is he for power? And Mr. Ravi Srivastava has the guts and the moral temerity to say, Delhi loves him, aapse kya lena dena? Arey, we are the people of Delhi, we deserve far better than this. You need to set a roadmap. Who is Sunita Kejriwal to get instructions from the CM? The CM is bound by the oath of secrecy. Who are you to trample with Delhi in this fashion? I think the people of Delhi are very angry. They think they get sympathy out of this.
Okay, in fact, as far as Arvind Kejriwal is concerned, now not only is he having, the powers to run the government from behind bars, but they've also put out a schedule saying that every week two ministers are going to go have a meeting with him while he is in jail. Sunita Kejriwal, in the meantime, is going to go to Ranchi. She's going to participate in a rally over there, having meetings with candidates. If Delhi is okay with it, well, we leave it to their wisdom. The politics, however, will continue. Thanks very much, gentlemen, for joining me. Quick break. Don't go anywhere. We are getting you an exclusive conversation with Home Minister Amit Shah in just a second. Where will 400 figure come from? Stay tuned to find out.